uh-oh, you got sunburned. It happens. It's going to happen to a lot of us this summer. How do you control that? How do you minimize the damage that happens to your skin after you've gotten the sunburn? There actually are some things that you can do to make it so you heal faster and don't get quite as much damage from that sunburn. So as soon as you realize that you're getting burned, get out of the sun. Sometimes you don't realize that you're getting burned until the next day. But as soon as you realize it, get out of the sun and take an anti-inflammatory like ibuprofen to slow down that inflammatory process. Make sure you drink plenty of water, because usually if you're sunburned, you're also dehydrated. You also can take a cool shower. Once you've done those steps, assess the skin. Is it blistering? Is it peeling? If that's the case, then the skin barrier is not intact. It's losing water faster than it wants to. It's going to make it harder for it to heal. And that's where an ointment is really important. That's when you want to use my healing balm. You want to use plain Vaseline to help protect that skin and keep the water in it until it's further healed. People oftentimes reach for aloe vera. The problem with aloe vera is it's a gel, and gels actually evaporate off the skin and make it lose more water. Also, aloe vera in a gel form can really burn if the wound is opened. I don't like Neosporin. I don't like Aquaphor. The reason for that is those are common causes of allergic reaction and will make your skin work harder when you're actually trying to help your skin. So those are a few steps that you can do to help mitigate the damage once it's already been done. Other things you can do. Antioxidant serums that have vitamin C in them are going to help minimize the damage done before you go out. So before I go out, leave my house, I always use a vitamin C serum on my face, neck, and chest, the backs of my hands. Then I follow that with a moisturizer, and I follow that with my zinc-based sunscreen. If I've had a very sunny day, I will actually do that as my evening step as well and skip the exfoliator, but give my skin more of those antioxidants, because that's going to help with some of that free radical damage. There are even some new, more powerful antioxidants that can actually stop the inflammatory pathway and minimize the damage done after sun exposure. A brand name of one is mica, a brand name of another one is acetylzingarone, and these are powerful ingredients that you're going to start seeing more in antioxidant serums. The other thing that people need to understand is that just because you've been sunburned 100 times doesn't mean you should be sunburned 100 more times. It is never too late to change your ways. Your skin is always correcting the damage that you've done to it, and if you damage it less now, it makes it easier for your skin to protect and correct the damage you've done in the past. So maybe you had a whole bunch of burns when you're 16, 17, 18. Now that you're 40 or 45, by not getting sunburned, it makes it easier for your body to correct some of that damage and decrease how many skin cancers you're going to get down the road. I have so many patients who came in their 50s and 60s, covered in skin cancers, have had a lot of surgery with me, and then have changed their ways and really have done a better job of wearing a hat on the golf course and worn more sunscreen. And after sort of 10, 15 years with me, are making fewer skin cancers because they have more, they have safer habits in regards to the sun. So don't give up. Don't think it's all lost. Whenever you decide to be smarter about the sun, that's when it gives your skin the opportunity to really get better. I hope that's helpful. I'm going to try to do a better job of answering questions on YouTube. Please put them up there if you have any. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Please let me know if there's other topics you want me to cover. My goal here is really to empower you to take care of your skin so you can achieve your best skin. I want to get the information out to you, which is accurate and helpful, so you can make really good choices.